This is the East Idaho weather hazard briefing for Thursday, October the 3rd. Key points to go through is we have another cold front that'll arrive Friday into Saturday. We could see wind gusts of 25 to 45 miles per hour, especially in the Arco Desert and Central Mountain region. The combination of winds and low humidity means everybody's a winner this time around, with fire weather watches for all. We are still looking at the possibility of a stray light rain shower possible for the mountains and highlands Friday night, but don't expect a whole lot of rain from it if you should happen to see one. So the satellite this morning just shows some high cirrus clouds drifting through the central mountains. That'll be moving through eastern Idaho today. Our weather risk outlook, you see minor to moderate impacts from fire danger for Friday into Friday night. There are some possibility of some gusts up to 45-50 miles per hour, especially across the Arco Desert and also out across the ridgetop level as well. There could be some pockets of some blowing dust embedded in these areas as well, across the Snake Plain possible. But as a whole, we don't see a whole lot of blowing dust issue right now with this system. And we will have breezy conditions continuing into Saturday as well. So our highs today, generally in the 60s to low 70s across the region. Humidities today, once again, in the low to mid-teens. Maybe a few spots are still hanging on to 20% humidity. Winds today, pretty light. Peak wind gusts about 10 to 15 miles per hour today. Friday, we're going to be looking at near record or record heat across the region, with temperatures up in the low 80s across much of the region. Humidities generally in the low to mid-teens across much of the area. And there you see the wind starting to really perk up Friday afternoon as that cold front starts to come down. And as I'm not going to show it, but Friday night we could have some sustained winds in southeast Idaho, 25 to 35 miles per hour in there as well. This is looking at your high temperatures for Saturday, and you see it is noticeably cooler from what we're experiencing Friday. Humidity levels also a touch bit higher, mainly across southeast Idaho. And then our winds still hanging on some breezy conditions across the Snake Plain and the highland areas. We do think the wind gusts will simmer down just a little bit across the central mountains. So just to summarize, we are looking at another cold front arriving Friday into Saturday with wind gusts of 25 to 45 miles per hour across the desert and central mountain regions. The combination of wind and low humidity will create dangerous fire conditions across the region. And a stray shower is still possible across the mountains and highlands Friday night. That concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and contact us. Thank you.